How to cancel Uber One. To cancel your Uber One subscription, launch the Uber application on your smartphone and make sure that you're signed into the account where you have the Uber One subscription. Once you've done so, tap on the account icon located from the bottom right of the screen. When you tap the account icon from the bottom right of the screen, you'll find the option called Uber One if you have a subscription. In my case, I don't have it, so it is showing to try Uber One for free. But if you have, you'll find your Uber One option or the Manage Membership option. Either way, you want to tap on that and select Manage Membership, where you can select the option to choose to end your membership. You can cancel at least 48 hours before your renewal date to avoid any extra charges, or 24 hours if using the Uber Eats app. This way you can cancel your Uber One subscription. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.